decided that you're gonna be shooting guns. This one you're using?
I'm using this one,
And what else? You're doing 4 or 3? Alright, you guys ready? Come over this way.
Watch your trigger, next up. Shoulder, hand up front. What you're gonna do, look to your rear side different what they're at. 90.
Hi, Mom.
Shoulder, left hand slips over up here. Lean forward into it more. Right there. Trigger off trigger. Red light side. Good dot. Okay. If you want to take them up, one foot the wall, alright?
Pretty heavy club. 45. Okay. Have you shot before? Okay. So, nice, good stance. Pick it up.
Good.
Over there. 3 around. This way.
Right eye.
Bring this higher.
I mean, there you go. More up. More up. There you go. Okay, press that.
Okay, okay.
And one. 80. Rounds on it instead of just your 20 back.
You did good.
Big old belt fed.
Alright.
Shoot it off the bench. Go crazy on it. That's the type of gun. It's
Alright. This one's a little heavier. Okay. The same thing here. Lean forward. Down. Get a couple more.
right the back.
Got stuck.
Stop the shoulder. Left hand right up here. Okay. Pull it in tight. Keep it in slack. Right eye. Look at the hole right there.
Two more.
Yeah. You got the step. Yeah.
Now this one. Okay, so this is the really big right one.